Okay, what's up? So we are doing some Crystal Goblet related project related tutorials. Um, First thing, super simple, but important, is we want to get the text in there properly. So here's the steps. We're gonna open first. Go to the reading. Go to this is a Wayback Machine link to the text in HTML page. Use this one. Do not use this one. There's a technology called optical character recognition, which it will appear in InDesign in a way that is undesirable for our purposes. So the first thing we want to do in InDesign is create a new document. We want to make it, let's just do inches for clarity. We want to make it 5.5 by 8.5 in picas. That's 33 and 51. Just for give us some room, we'll do 10 pages, facing pages, and then that should be good. Use the default margins for now. That's fine. So it's good. Okay, let's do it. Create it. So we've got a new document. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. So I will not save it in my invoice area. I will save it on my desktop. Don't save it on your desktop. Save it like something work for your class, for this class. Crystal Goblet project, whatever folders you have set up. I'm going to call it Crystal Goblet Screen Cap. Press enter. And then, I don't know what's going to happen if I select this image, but I'm just going to Control C. Then I will Control V. So, now I'm going to make this full screen. And we don't want this here, and we don't want text here. So this will be the cover. This will be the first inside page, the inside cover. And then this will be the first page, right? So, I'm going to Control V there. Just pressing Control V. Some of this I'm assuming that you know, but if it's a refresher, it's okay to be refreshed every once in a while. So we got all the text in here. You should be familiar with this, hopefully, but you may see this red arrow, right? This means we got more text that we want to put into different text boxes. I'm just gonna, for now, we'll have to make aesthetic decisions later. But for now, we'll do this. What I did there. Keep going until we reach the end of the text. We're just doing this, putting it in. Keeping going. We're just letting it snap to the bounds, the margins. Just copy and pasting. So what I'm gonna do is, just in case, I'll add another box just in case. Ooh, a little jump in the audio there. Apologies if the music is annoying. I'm just I need a I can't. There's no monitor. I have headphones on that make it weird to. The silence is strange, so I need a little noise. So here's the thing. If you're familiar with, you don't need to be familiar with HTML for this project. Hopefully that's obvious. But in HTML, oh, sorry, this is the caption. That was the image we showed. The image is not part of the thing. You can include it if you want. So you may notice that between each paragraph, there's a return. So if you're familiar with HTML or CSS, it does not have paragraph spacing like InDesign does. So the thing we want to do, the first thing we want to do to put in the text is to get rid of any hard returns is what they're called. So you see these, we want to get rid of them. Bye-bye. Go bye-bye hard returns. We do not want them in there. The reason why is because we want to be in control of the space between the paragraphs via the tools that InDesign gives us. So because we're copying and pasting from an HTML document that does not have paragraph spacing, we need to get rid of it. Do that. We're doing that. And that's it. This is the end of the thing. Well, let's just do that, right? So we save that. That's putting the text in. Those are the things we need to do. We need to just make sure we get it from the proper page. Make sure we get it from this HTML page, not the PDF. This is better for reading. This is what we need to copy and paste this stuff. We want to make sure we paste it on what is right now the third page. If we look at pages over here, we'll see it says 3 right here. So we want to make sure we paste on the third page. We will make it the first page later. And then we want to make sure we get rid of the hard returns. That's it.